Talk to the hand. Talk to the hand is a common American English phrase that simply means, I'm done talking to you. I'm not listening, la 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 la. No more talking because I'm not listening. The phrase talk to the hand because the face ain't listening originated in the 1990s in American culture. Urban culture, that is. But it slowly trickled into non-urban culture and is used everywhere. And I mean everywhere. Practicing on strangers could get you in a lot of trouble, so you may want to save this one for the mirror. This is Teacher LaShawn, and it's a slang thang. Peace.